Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we're checking out the best PC that you can get for $800. That's right, $800, which is extremely cheap relatively to a gaming PC, to a production PC. It's the cheapest of the cheapest, but we are going to make it work with 1440p at least. So let's jump straight into it, shall we? Alright, so as usual, starting off with the AMD build, we're going to go with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500, which is still 5600 with lower clocks, and it's pretty good, don't worry. It will handle any GPU that you can get at this price point. Alright, and for the CPU cooler, we're going to go with the Thermalright Burst Assassin ARGB, which means that 1550 RPM, and it's only $23, and it still will cool the 5500 very well. Alright, and for the motherboard, we're going to go with the Gigabyte B550M DS3H, which is the best enterprise B550 motherboard. It's only $90 and it has 4 slots of RAM, and it supports up to 2 NVMe SSDs, and it has 2 separate PCIe Express slots. So it's alright, and as for the RAM, we are going to go with the Team Group GeForce ZA 16GB at DDR4 3600 MHz with 2x8 GB. It has the 18 latency, which is slightly worse than the 16, but it's not that much. You don't give up that much performance, and it's only $45, so it's amazing. Alright, and as for the SSD, we are going to go with the Kingston NV2 1TB. At $70, it's an amazing PCIe 4.0 SSD, which it gets up to like 4000 megabytes a second write and 3500 read, which is very good for $70 at 1 TB. Alright, and as for the case, we're going to go with the Thermaltake Versa H18, which is the best case for a budget. It has mesh front and mesh at the top and at the back, which means airflow is coming out from everywhere and you don't need to worry about it. Alright, and as for the power supply, we're going to go with the Cooler Master MWE. It's an 80 plus bronze certification, which is slightly worse than the gold, and it's a 600 watt power supply, which is very well above what the system draws, so you don't need to worry about it. And it's only $34. Alright, and now for the graphics cards, we're going to go with the Sapphire Nitro Plus RX 6600 XT, which is the best model of the 6600 XT. At $360 you can get like a 600 XT performance out of that. Bye bye. So moving on. Alright, and after all that, the total cost comes to $794 plus shipping, plus everything, minus mailing the rates and promo discounts. So yeah, it's a pretty good system. You can expect pretty high-end performance out of that. And yep, moving on to the Intel build, if you really. Alright, so on the Intel build, we're going to go with Intel Core i3 12100F, which is pretty close performance to the 5500. It's a little bit better even, which is amazing, and it's only $105. So let's go to the final part, the motherboard. Alright, and as for the Intel motherboard, we are going to go with the MSI Pro B660M GDDR4, same as the 1000. Unfortunately, it has only 2 memory slots, which is a bit of a bummer, but we're not really gonna need anything more than that at $800. It's only $90, so you can't really complain there. Alright, and that gives us the total cost of $779, which is even cheaper. You can put on a higher end motherboard, but I don't think it's worth it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.